Hey everyone, welcome back to the Model Factory. So yes, I have been away for a while. It's been a few months and you know, no excuse other than I've been out of the groove and I haven't been model building. This kind of happens to me every couple of years or so. I just kind of get out of it. I don't know if it's because I need a break, so I end up just taking a little hiatus for a couple of months. With that being said, this last hiatus has probably been the longest one I have been on. It's been, you know, a few months back since I made my last video, and really since I've done any model building. So that's what this video is about. It's about updating you guys on me. I'm still here, I'm still around, haven't quit the hobby or anything, and letting you guys see that what I've got going on here on the bench. I'm starting to get back into things, starting to you know, get that itch to build back. So I'm kind of easing myself back into it with a couple of small, simple builds to you know, kind of get those juices flowing again, if you want to call it that. So my last video that I did before I you know, went on my little break was about the AMT little hot dogger kit. It's one of those show rod kits. You can go back to my previous video and check it out if you want to. But that kit is on hold. What happened is I was building it, things were going good. I was trying to do some stuff with the chrome, and I ended up just messing up the chrome. So I threw everything back in the box, and I was like, forget this, lost interest in it, and really hadn't done any model building since that point. So that's why there was no videos or anything. Though I am now sort of getting back into things, and I've got a couple of kits that I'm actually working on. So yeah, I know, 2 kits, trying to get back into it. What am I thinking? You know, I don't know. It's going to be fun. Excited about both of them. Going to be taking it, you know, slow and easy on both of them, so I think it'll be good. The first kit, though, is the 77 Pontiac Firebird by Revell. Now I'm actually building this kit for my dad, and this car is kind of special to him because he was part of the design of it, specifically the design of the wheels. So he designed the original wheels that came on the 77 Pontiac Firebird. And so he found this kit at Hobby Lobby, and he's like, "Hey son, do you think you can build this for me? I'd love to have a kit, or love to have a model of the car that has my wheels on it." So that's what we were doing. So far we've just got the body and paint, got the decals on it, and we're starting to move on to the engine and the interior now. And so we'll be going through that. We're just going to be doing this one box stock. No, you know, customization, no crazy stuff on it, you know, just a nice easy box stock build to get myself back into it, and that's how my dad wants it. So that's what we're doing there. And then for the second kit that I'm working on, I don't have a box or anything to show you quite yet because I've just kind of got it in pieces. But about a year ago, we bought my son the Revell Ford GT Snap Tight kit. You guys know he's young, so we do the Snap Tight kits for him. And he played with it for a little bit, you know, and then sort of lost interest in it. And so I have inherited it. And I am planning on rebuilding it and sort of detailing it a little bit more, bringing it up out of kind of that snap tight, you know, kit realm, and try to make it look a little bit better. You know, it's going to be a simple kit again. There's no engine, or there is an engine, but it's just a false, you know, cover. It's not the whole engine. It's, you know, pretty basic. You know how those beginner snap tight kits are. They don't have a lot of detail to them. There's really no suspension. It's just a pretty flat chassis underneath. But this is just going to be, you know, a curbside kit, a looker from the top. So that's what I'm going to do there. And so, you know, we've started taking the body apart. We've disassembled it. I'm getting everything prepped for paint. And the, you know, little bit of detailing I'm going to do to kind of make it look a little bit better. So that's what's on the bench right now. That's what we're doing. We'll try to have some update videos on those here soon to show you in a little more detail what's going on and what we're going to be doing. But, you know, those are coming, and I'll be off and on working on, you know, one or the other. So just bear with me on updates on those. I did also make a trip to Hobby Lobby the other day, and what do you know, they've got some more kits on sale, and I had to get some. So I wanted to show you guys those too. I picked these up at their, significantly reduced prices that they do. So, I got like 3 kits for the price of 1, basically. The first one is the AMT 70 Monte Carlo. Love the 70 Monte Carlo. It's a great looking car. So I haven't opened any of these yet, so I don't know what they're like inside, don't know the quality, but we'll find out here soon. So that's the first one. The second one is the Revell 66 Chevy Suburban. This is a cool one. This is one that I had been wanting to pick up, just never got around to it, and of course when the price was this low, couldn't say no. And the third and final one is another one that I had wanted to pick up and just didn't really have the motivation to, and price was the motivator this time. It's the 75 Datsun pickup. These are cool little pickups, a lot of stuff you can do. This has got a lot of custom parts in it, but a lot of cool stuff you can do with these little pickups. And so I'm looking forward to building that one. So I'll be cracking those ones open here soon and getting some sweet, smells of the styrene that will ensue, and seeing what's going on inside. But really, that's where we're at, guys. I just wanted to say hey, let you all know that I am still here, I'm still around. So keep your eyes on the channel. We'll try to have some videos here for you soon. And we'll work around life and model building, and we'll get it all together. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned to the next video, and like I always say, eat, sleep, styrene.